Hey guys, so I got a package from Vlogger Extra and she's really nice. You guys should really check out her channel. And I didn't get to make an opening video because I was making an opening video, but then at the end I got interrupted very badly and I didn't want to upload it, so yeah. So she wrote her address here and she put 3 stamps. It says special mail, video maybe. It says here, hope you receive this safely. Thanks postman/woman, and mail it with extra care. So at the back of it, she wrote her return address. So yeah, and it says open here. And I already opened it because I did the opening video just now and I didn't get to. Yeah. So she put it very nicely inside this pink Hello Kitty baggie, and it's super nice. And it also has the license over there. It says Sanrio. So for the note, I'll start with the note. It says PS. Paw Squishy is an extra. Hey, thanks for purchasing. Hope you will continue supporting. XOXO Vlogger Share. So you guys really need to check her channel out. She's having a squishy sale right now, by the way. So I got this bone squishy and it says here Alendrone, I don't know. And it's super soft and squishy. Like this one is one of the squishiest kind of bone squishy. Okay, I don't know what I'm talking about. It's super nice. And for the extra, she gave me this paw squishy. She's super kind and polite, like she's patient also. So yeah, do buy some squishies from her. Bye. Oh yeah, I wanted to show you guys. And I bought this Hulu squishy today. So it's the blue one. So yeah, and I bought this at Hako JQ, if you guys are wondering. Bye guys.